Here is the final part 8. Improving your goals, review, refine, and refocus in 2021 and beyond.
When I consider reviewing and refocusing my goals, resolutions, and achievements, I break this down into 3 primary activities. 1. Affirmations and visualizations. 2. Daily priorities and action planning. 3. Evaluation and adjustment. You must review your goals habitually. They must become a vital part of your daily psychology. Affirmations and visualizations. You can decide your own frequency of making affirmations about the achievement of your goals. Some people advise you to review your list of your goals that are written in a positive form, once or twice a day. This positive form is where you write down your goals as though you are speaking to yourself, and you are reminding yourself what you are working towards, or that you have achieved certain goals. For example, you may affirm to yourself that every day you choose and prioritize your actions, according to the biggest return that you will receive on your efforts. As mentioned before, you can use images and photographs to assist you with visualizing the ideal outcomes. Some people also advise that you make these affirmations out loud, but I found that this does not suit every character. You must make your own decision as to how to reinforce your progress. Daily priorities and action planning. In addition to the affirmation form of listing goals, I also have my goals outlined on a worksheet that has 2 or 3 columns. In the first column I have my goals, and I use the other columns to write notes on potential actions I can take, or refinements I can make. In this way, I'm reviewing my goals on a daily basis, and I am adding both potential action steps and notes on actions I've already taken, with the outcome that has been achieved. This serves as a constant review mechanism and helps me to guide my actions every day. As I keep my records in a digital format, I am able to update or amend my goals in real time. I also find that I'm able to refine my objectives as I gather new information and see the results of the actions I have taken. Evaluation and adjustment. Periodically, I find it is important that I take some time away from taking action and focus purely on my goal list and action plan to carry out a review without being distracted by daily activities. I like to be in a very relaxed state and to get away from my usual working areas in order to focus clearly and brainstorm new ideas. You will decide from time to time what period is most effective for you in between evaluations. I would suggest that a maximum period of a month should pass between spending perhaps an hour or 2 to really realign yourself with this important project. Some reasons to amend, refine, or update your goals are: 1. Things have changed over the review period. 2. New opportunities have appeared. 3. New challenges must be faced or are solved. 4. Your focus on your targets and objectives have changed. 5. You have refined your ultimate goals in light of new information or experience. You may need to break down one of your larger goals into smaller steps, or happily, you may have discovered a shortcut to achieving a goal, so you can eliminate a lot of time and energy. Changing your goals or updating them is a normal part of the process and should not be considered any type of failure. Sometimes, when you get close to achieving your goal, you may find that it is not anything like you expected. So it only seems sensible for you to readjust towards a more desirable outcome. I want to repeat once more that this whole process should be an enjoyable one. If you are finding it tiresome, or you are finding it like a job that you would rather avoid, then perhaps you are not going about it in the right way for your character. The other possibility is that the goals you have chosen are not sufficiently effective enough to ultimately give you the life and lifestyle that would make you entirely happy. After all, this is the objective. Who does not want to improve their happiness and security in life? I do accept that sometimes the pace of change or advancement can be very frustrating, particularly when you have already worked out exactly what you want. Sometimes the pace of achievement is out of our hands and we need to learn and practice patience. The skill of controlling your emotions in the face of delays or disappointments will be a skill that will ensure that you will, eventually, achieve everything you have set out to accomplish. If you're not happy with your progress, this is something that you can focus on and look for solutions during your evaluation process. Quite often, when you don't have what you want, you are missing some vital information. Work out where you might have a knowledge gap, and then research the information that you need to make a more informed decision and take more effective actions. In this video, we have highlighted the following points. 1. There are several ways to review and refocus your efforts. 2. Make daily affirmations and visualizations. 3. Prepare your daily priorities and action planning review. 4. Carry out monthly evaluations and adjustments to your goals. 5. Your goals and actions must become an essential part of you and your daily life. 6. Affirmations must be written as positive statements. 7. Use photos and images to help you visualize your goals. 8. Make your master list of goals a daily worksheet that you update and refine in real time. 9. Periodically, take a break and focus exclusively on your goals, reflecting on the updates or changes since the last major review. 10. Changing your goals along the way is not a failure. 11. Working on your goals should be an enjoyable activity and not feel like a job. 12. If you are not getting the results you desire, you need to identify any knowledge gap and find the information you are missing. I hope you will take this information and use it as a foundation to create your own personal system of achieving your ultimate lifestyle. I wish you lots of luck, but remember, you can make your own luck by working harder and cleverer than other people are prepared to do. Online success, an online business building system.
If you find our content helpful, please engage with us.
Yes, you can subscribe, ask for notifications, like videos, and even share them with friends.
You can also ask questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching.